Most AI tools are overpriced hype, but these 7 are completely free, and honestly, they feel illegal to use. I tested every single one so you don't have to. Number 5 quietly replaced an app one was paying $40 a month for. Stick to the end, because the last one changes how you make content forever. Let's go. First up, Perplexity. Think of it as Google, but it actually answers your question instead of handing you 10 blue links. You ask, it replies with a direct answer and clickable sources from across the web, so you can trust it. The free version handles research, fact-checking, and follow-up questions that stay on topic. I use it to research entire videos in minutes. If you still open 10 browser tabs to find one answer, this single tool will save you hours every week. Number 2, Gamma. Most AI presentation tools spit out the same boring templates everyone has seen 1,000 times. Gamma is different. You type one prompt, and it builds an entire deck that actually looks designed, with layouts, images, and clean formatting done for you. The free tier gives you enough credits for around 10 full presentations. I built a pitch deck in 4 minutes that would have taken me an afternoon in slides. For anyone who hates making presentations, this feels like cheating. Third, Suno. This one still blows my mind. You describe a song in plain English, pick a style, and Suno generates a full track with vocals, lyrics, and instruments in about 30 seconds. The free plan gives you generous daily credits to create original music you can actually use. Background tracks for videos, custom intros, even full songs as a joke for a friend. Royalty-free music used to cost a subscription. Now you just describe what you want and it appears. Number 4 is where it gets a little scary. Kling. You type a sentence or drop in a single image, and it generates a smooth, realistic video clip from nothing. A year ago, this kind of AI video was locked behind expensive tools and waitlists. Now there is a free tier you can try today. The motion is stable, the detail is sharp, and it is improving every month. For B-roll, intros, and visuals you could never film yourself, this is the future arriving early. And here is number 5, the one that replaced a $40 a month app for me. NotebookLM from Google, and it is 100% free with no limits. You upload your own sources, PDFs, documents, websites, even YouTube videos, and the AI works only with that material, so it never makes things up. But the killer feature is audio overviews. It turns your boring documents into a podcast-style conversation between 2 AI hosts that actually explains your material. I use it to digest research while I walk. Completely free, and most people have no idea it exists. Number 6, Nano Banana, Google's image model inside Gemini. This is hands down the best free way to generate and edit images right now. You describe what you want and get a clean, high-quality picture in seconds. But the real magic is editing. You upload a photo and tell it what to change in plain words, swap the background, change the lighting, remove an object, and it just does it, while keeping faces and details consistent. Thumbnails, product shots, social posts. The free tier covers more than most people will ever need. And the last one changes content creation completely. ElevenLabs. It generates a human-sounding voice from text that is almost impossible to tell apart from a real person. The free tier lets you turn any script into natural narration in dozens of voices and languages. Faceless videos, audiobooks, voiceovers, all without a microphone or recording your own voice. Honestly, the voice you are listening to right now was made by AI. That is how good free tools have gotten in 2026. So there you have it. 7 free AI tools that genuinely feel illegal to know. Try just one of them this week, and you will get it. If this saved you time, subscribe, because I test the newest AI tools every single week, so you only use the ones that actually work. I will see you in the next one.